So, hello, everything's getting done slowly. This is a beautiful gum tree. Slowly cutting it to burn it. Got the fire going there. Have a cup of tea. This is all my compost. It's a cactus slowly coming. This one's been here for about 9 months. That's a new one. I put it in today. It's so beautiful. It's really gorgeous. And I took the baby out of that one and planted separate somewhere else. Yeah, they're doing good. I don't know what it is. It looks like potato. Yeah, I put the little baby here. Little cactus. See it? But I put it loose a little bit because that's how I do it. Everybody does it different and might not be successful. So once it grubs on and a bit of rain and water and rocks, should be good. This one's good too. It's been there for about 3 weeks, so it's slowly getting adjusted. Yeah. So slowly fixing up and burning a little bit of wood. And also all the leaves that I collect. I'll put the solar probably tomorrow. So the koalas and the kangaroos were all out there. There's about 10 of them. Little ones and big ones. The sun's coming out. Sun's coming down every day. Up and down. So we've been pretty lucky to see it. It's gorgeous. At the moment it's about to go down. It's 10 to 6 in the afternoon. Same as this one's. Just got a old piece of carpet. And I'm sure whether they came to get the bread. I left some bread for the kangaroos. Someone gave me a little bit of carpet, so I'm going to put a plant there, and I put a light so I don't drive over the pot, just to hold it. You walk there and then you walk on this carpet. Don't worry, Hanky. I'm going to wash the car because we've been through the desert and it's like mud everywhere. So plenty of wood. Yes. Put a bit of carpet here. Come on, puppy. Just to stop the sand from getting to all the stuff. The flowers are coming nice. I put some bulbs down. And the garlic and the onion over there. So it's just slowly. Just little bits. Warmed up some water in the sun and washed some socks. This one's ready for a cup of tea. Alright. So, sunset's just gorgeous. That's where I climb up the tree and sit. It's not high. But you get nice views. So you step on that. And then you step on that, and then you come here, step on that, grab onto that, and grab onto that. Oh, left my cup of coffee there. So you can just grab it and take it to wash. But look, the sunset up here when I see it is just stunning. See all the pinks and purples. What's up? It's been a sukilala, aren't you, Zubi? Sukilala. You want some coffee? Have it. Alrighty. Goodbye. It's getting quite cold. Oh, the little robins are out and about today. And so are the snakes. I saw about 3 in the forest. But they're a bit slow because it's cold. Alright. Good night.